Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, so I am here in the kitchen getting ready to put on dinner for tonight. And this is the easiest and most delicious thing to have on hand all the time. It's keto friendly, super easy to make, doesn't take a lot of prep work, it doesn't take a lot of anything really. So I'm going to share that with you so that you can make it at home. So you need to have a crock pot, and I put in there 2 chicken breasts. I usually just use 1 pack, maybe 2 packs of chicken from Costco. And this one is like, it's pretty much frozen. I thawed it a little bit just to get it out of the package. And then I'm gonna pour in 1 container of Sadie's hot salsa. This is our favorite salsa for sure. And then also, this is a really delicious salsa to use. Also, 505 green chili sauce. And so I'm just gonna pour it in, and then I'll get a spoon and just move the chicken around just to get it all covered. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover the crock pot. And you can do this either at high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. It's totally your choice. And I like to do low for 8 hours, but if we need the chicken faster or we want it for lunch, then we have the option to do high for 4 hours. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Make sure you like it, subscribe, share it, and let us know how it goes. If you would try this chicken, send us a picture. Let us know if you're enjoying it. Let us know what you love most about it, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.